This is Thinking Credit with your host, Gary B. What's up, Credit Fam? I want to welcome you to Thinking Credit with Gary B. On this show, we talk about all things financial, from personal to business credit and more. So sit back and let's talk. Welcome back, Credit Fam. You got Gary B here. Hey, today's daily financial tips are how to shop smart. First, evaluate the purchase by cost per use. Pretty much what that's saying is, hey, if you see a $5 shirt that's pretty basic and then you see a $30 shirt that's similar, why buy the $30 shirt when the $5 shirt would do just as well? You see what I'm saying? What we're trying to say is be smart about your spending. If it looks the same, it's probably going to wear the same. Now, yes, quality over quantity and stuff like that. You want good quality, and not saying that a $5 shirt will fall apart after a few washes and a $30 shirt won't either. Nobody knows. But think about how many times you might wear it, how many times you might use something before you just go out and just go crazy with your spending, okay? Number two, spend on experience, not things. Pretty much think about that in a sense of, hey, do I want to take a trip? Do I want to go to a picnic? Or do I just want to go buy some pricey materialistic thing that I'm probably not going to be happy with in the next couple of days or next couple of weeks? So, hey, that trip might make me very happy compared to this little thing over here that I might use today and throw away tomorrow. So think about that too, okay? Number three, shop solo. Definitely shop solo. Ladies, I know y'all fall under this big time. Hey girl, you look cute in that. You need to get it. And then you buy it and then you never really wear it. You done spent money because somebody else can kind of mind what's the word? Mind played you or whatever you want. Other words I want to use, but we're not going to use those words to get you to buy something that you really, really didn't want to buy, okay? So watch out for stuff like that. If you're going shopping, go get what you got to get, spend your little budget, and come on back home. All right, next thing. Spend on the real you, not the imaginary you. We always fall into that. We want to look like something else that we're not. Buy for you. Buy what makes you comfortable. Buy what you want, okay? That's how you look at that one, all right? Now, the last but not least, ditch the overdraft protection. Yes, y'all heard me. Ditch that overdraft protection because it sounds nice, but actually it's a way for banks to tempt you to overspend. And then they charge you a fee for the privilege. Think about it. If you don't overspend, they don't make that little extra money off of you. So you need to get that mindset, I'm not going to overspend. I'm not going to overspend. So you don't have to spend that money. Okay? So ditch the overdraft. Save that little $5, $10 or whatever the overdraft fee is. Okay? Put that back into your budget. But anyway, those are my tips for today. Like I said, we talked about how to shop smart. Evaluate your purchases by the cost per use. Spend on experience, not things. Shop solo. Spend on the real you, not the imaginary you. And once and for all, ditch the overdraft protection. But those are my tips for today. Hey, keep checking with us every day, and I'll be back. I'm out. Peace. I want to thank you for checking out this episode. Keep following me for all the latest financial information. You can follow and subscribe on Applecast, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Amazon Music, and Stretch, and all the podcast networks out there. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box. I'm your man, Gary B. Like I always say, I do the research. You just got to follow.